Hello gentlemen, welcome back to the Men's Improvement channel. You want to become more attractive, don't you? I already know the answer. I know that you want to become more attractive because I want to become more attractive than I already am. And today is your lucky day because I am here to help you become more attractive. I'm here to give you some more attractive points that can get you all the way from here to even here and maybe even up here, because I have gotten some scientific facts that will help you become more attractive, and I have 5 of them for you today. Let's go. First thing that will make you more attractive based on science is symmetry. Symmetry. What? How? What? Let me explain. Symmetry gives structure to things, and we like structured and well placed things. For example, if my right eye right here was placed a little bit lower or a little bit higher compared to my left eye, that will make me look less attractive because it kind of ruins the structure of a perfect face, and therefore is less attractive to look at compared to a normal face that I luckily have. And if you have some kind of asymmetrical features on your face, I have a solution. Wear a pair of glasses. Glasses, as you can see, are structured very well. They are even on both the right and left side, and therefore can help you with symmetry on your face. If you have some kind of asymmetrical features on your face, structure from glasses can help you boost your attractiveness from here to here. You can get 1 attractiveness point from wearing glasses more. Talking about symmetry, having wide shoulders and a small waist for us men creates this V tapering on our bodies, and that is symmetry because it's symmetrical. It's just a V taper. It's basically perfection. Why do you think that bodybuilders want to achieve that V shape on their bodies? Because it looks more attractive to look at. In my opinion, the 2 solutions for having more symmetry on your body: wear glasses if you have some asymmetrical features on your face, and work out to get more broad shoulders and a smaller waist. The second scientific fact that I want you to know to boost your attractiveness is to wearing red more often. Why red, do you ask? It's very simple. Red is a color of love and the symbolical color of passion, sex, and attractiveness. Why the hell shouldn't you wear red? You can get very, very cool pieces of red like this oversized flannel shirt, or you can have a ring with some red features on it, or a watch with a red bezel that I unfortunately don't have, or even some cool red sneakers that you have found somewhere that could look good with an outfit. So whenever you can, try to sprinkle a little bit of red to your outfits once in a while to boost your attractiveness. And red is also the color that the brain of us humans likes the most to look at. It's the color that we humans like and get the attention of the quickest. So there's a little bit more science to why the red argument is valid. Whew, boy, you are smelling horribly. Damn, do something about it. And I will help you do something about it, because tip number 3 of being more attractive scientifically is by smelling. You want to smell nice and smelling bad. That's a fact. I know that for 100%. I have some science for you guys. Number 1, smelling is the most powerful sense that you have. The second fact is that smelling is the sense that your brain remembers the most. So if you smell something, you remember that smell for longer than you remember tasting something. That is why our sponsor, House of Scent Copenhagen, will help you gentlemen smelling better and being more attractive. I can relate to saying that fragrances can be very, very expensive, and having a whole bottle isn't always the solution that you want to go for. So that is why my friends, or my friend Jonas from House of Scent, wants to hook you up with a 10% discount code linked in the description to House of Scent Copenhagen. For example, this Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Mal fragrance is normally very, very expensive, but with the help of House of Scent Copenhagen, you can get a sample of this fragrance and many, many more fragrances on their website for a very, very low price, and I am all down for that. So that is why I'm hooking you up once again telling you guys that to hit that link in the description and use my discount code, because I am here to save you guys money and make you more attractive. The fourth scientific fact that will help you be more attractive is monochromatic outfits. I know that I've been talking about monochromatic outfits for a while, but there's a reason. They help you become more attractive, and here's why. When you see something in one color instead of more colors at a time, it automatically looks bigger for your brain, and therefore it makes you look more attractive, because taller things are usually more attractive. That's why taller men usually are perceived to be more attractive than lower men. Finally, number 5, body language. When you walk like this the whole day, no wonder you think that you're not attractive, because you're carrying yourself like you don't care about yourself and that you're not attractive. But if you change your body language to being more attractive, for example, throw your shoulders back and put your chest up and have a straight back and look forward with your chin up, you automatically look more attractive, because the way you carry yourself just shows that you're more confident of how you look and how you perceive yourself. So that's why having proper body language will automatically help you look more attractive. Bonus tip: wear black more, because black is perceived as the most attractive color for men, because it makes us more intelligent, more muscular and more confident. So wear black more often to boost your confidence a little bit more than I already helped you with. That is pretty much the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already, and I'm very sorry for the lack of uploads lately. I have been very busy, and I will try to keep up with the once a week thing with the videos. I don't know when this video will be out, but I try to make this video go out as soon as possible, ASAP. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button that is glowing red down below. Watch every single video that will be put out from me later on. And of course, beside that subscribe button, there is a little bell button that you can press also to get notified every single time that I upload a new video, to make you a better person and to help you become even more attractive than you already are, because I know you're attractive, and I know that you're trying to become more attractive for your own sake. And as always, gentlemen, don't forget to smile more. It's free.